Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to look at the real cost of trading on Binance, from depositing money to buying crypto and paying trading fees. If you are new to Binance, your first step is depositing fiat currency like euros or dollars. Depending on your payment method, a small deposit fee may apply. Once your fund arrive, you will need to convert them into USDT, the stablecoin most traders use to buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. When it comes to trading fees, Bitcoin charges a standard 0.1% fees for support traders. However, if you choose to pay your fees with BNB Binance native token, you can receive a 25% discount, reducing your trading cost even further. Active traders can also qualify for lower fees for Binance VIP program. For further trading, the fees are even lower with separate rates for maker and taker orders. Thanks to its competitive pricing and deep liquidity, that's everything you need to know about Binance trading fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.